Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Today we got some very serious tools. Makita nipper sweeper. And what I do is turn them on for you. And I will tell you, I review it and I really don't like it. Okay, I don't like it at all. I get used to the petrol to sell quicker. Turn on. Press button 1, gear number 1, speed number 2, and speed number 3. And this one, they reverse, left, right hand side, and left hand side. See it flashing? See go different. See the direction go that way. And if you press it, the direction go that way. So either way, if you want, okay. But I will show you. This is problem is I don't know yet, but people. They really don't like the way it's designed for this string thing. It's always broken inside and they take it out and they have trouble. I will tell you what to do, or maybe you can changing different fitting to make you feel comfortable. Some people have a problem with that. Okay, I will grip number 1 and have a go. That's number 1, and number 3, 2, even quicker. That's number 2, and this is number 3. Number 3. Okay, super fast. You go normally when you beat. I think the best way is lift on number 2, and the good speed for me is number 2, I see. Okay, and tell you what, the spinning here is very hard for someone. When it comes to me, it's already open. It's open. It's open. It's open, and everything come out. Okay, and I make the mark here to know there is certain of this one. You can only work one way. To undo this one, to take this one knob off, to change it, you have to get the lock like Makita. It's like a Makita wider. See, lock it there and take it out, and don't lose. This one come together like this. You can go bunning somewhere to buy anything that makes you feel comfortable for fitting the line. The problem is they fire spin fast. And this one sometimes the small wire and turn it out. See, press it and turn it out. This one to unlock is a little pin in the spring here, and this one and this one. Okay, this one is very hard for some old people. Not me. I'm not old, but nearly get old. Very hard this spring, too hard for them. First of all, they have to slide this one on like that. Put the spring in and go in like that, and push it down. It's a lot of tension there. So for old men, still not recommend for old men. Okay, if you think about buying this one for an old man, not pull the engine. So why would you design some shit like this? Make the old man cannot put in. Why don't they do something a little bit lighter? Or the best way, using the one that fitting line, just 1 or 2 like this, and cut the edge short and pull straight away out. It's much easier for an old man. If they do this, the only good thing about this one is when they empty, they push this one and it come back, they fit itself out again. It fit out like, you know, the line come out. So that's why they push. And anyway, the friend, he's only about 40 something, and he gets sick of this one. He tell me to get another one. So I do a holding this one and go to the shop and get the shaft that's similar to go in here, and I can fit in anything. But for this one, I show you easy way. Next time, like, oh yeah, of course if they're broken, you have to take it up like this. Okay, and of course it's got to be lip on this shaft. This one here will lip on the machine like this all the time. But you see the target I make, and the target I make, see, and that will make this target will be like this. Okay, will be like this. So it will be in the groups here, and this one will be in the groups here. So if you are taking it up, very careful. Okay, if you're taking it up, okay, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this. Eh? It's a little bit punch on the jaw for someone who have to press it. See, have to press like this. Go in the groups, and then turn in, and it lock. See, it lock here. Press, open, turn, open, open. Okay, let me show you how. This is outside. Inside should be like this, but I take it outside to make talk and make it easy for you to understand. This one's supposed to be stay in the shop, but if you want to take it out, little hole here, lock it here, and you can turn by hand whatever direction it come up, it come up. Okay, but to be honest, for an old man, I doubt you. And the target, the line, see this one got to be similar there, and this one the same way, so got to be similar. Okay, similar direction. All you do is whack this one on, holding there. But you see the way it designed is so wobbling. What you can do is, you know what you can do, this spring, I have to get a new one for him, but if I will use, see the spring here, I turn it out. If I were you, okay, this is I gotta get a new one anyway, a new one for him, so I don't care. I do the demo for you, okay. If I would you, I open up the spring here and make it bigger. You see the gap here, open bigger. What I do is I will slide in here, and it will holding there for them. So I get the flat screwdriver, push it out, make it level. So it should be staying there like that for him. Okay. The Makita lightweight. Okay, all we do is just put the two berry in and go. So easy for our people, or for future people don't know how to using hand or technique, or how to pull the engine, and too hard for them to pull. I expect them to do something more easy for the people. This one, the one that screwed on, be careful because the locker built in for this one. And this one, if you get the wrong, you will be disaster. Okay, so what we do is this one like that, and I make sure all the thread and everything the same, and bolt on. I'm using the 2.7 millimeter first, and this one, the price I saw in Bunning is, the price for this is not cheap at all, similar like the one I fixed, expensive. But of course it's very hard for you guys. I know it's hard. Okay, it's hard, but we try to do as much as we could for you to see, and hopefully when they design next one will be easy for the older people, not lockwise, anti-lockwise. Okay, anti-lockwise. And this one go in, and this one will be turned. Okay, so what we do is same old mark here, press this one and turn, go like that. Okay, like I did before for you. Oh, I did it wrong. Anyway, that's how it is. I lock the spring here, make it easy. So what I do is like that. Okay, go in with the groups, turn it. Sorry, see when it should be on, this one on, and this one all online like that. Okay, what we do is turn this one, push and turn, until you see the fitting line come out. So what I do is I use 1 meter length. I do about 1 meter length, go like that. Okay, go like this. So it go in the line a little bit tighter, and it's not wobbling everywhere when it roll inside, and it's not broken out. So this is the one I go for. Level it like this. Okay, we're about 1 meter, and what we do is fit in here. See the fitting line, one line, just put through, So you go like that, and this one go out of sight, just fit through like this. Okay, all we do is these two ends, up the two ends, and pull it until it go level. You see, it will be level, same length, right? Each one. And yeah, what they do is rotation of the rewind. So this, they want you to push it and turn it. Push it and turn, and it's rolling. And see this one more tighter, so they don't wobbling inside. Okay, and this one, see, a bit hard for someone who need a bit of strength and muscles. If for some weak men, some weak old men like me, it's very hard for them to do it. Okay, I repeat, for weak old men, very hard to do it. Okay, later when you're gonna run it, just push it and turn and come back up. So that's how it's go. And I do one more push, that means one more turn. Even I do that, I feel, believe me, I feel my muscle on my chest is really hard. For someone else, it's really hard. You see like this, when it's about that long. If you have the pliers, you can cut. If you wish, you go like that. If you want to cut, you cut. Okay. And hopefully, you guys out there have one, and you will see how we did it. So turn on. Okay, number one, look, turn. So normally the line go like that, but you go down like that. So they go different way. Okay, I go different direction. There you go. It cut itself into the level, and the line into level. You see? Okay, let's go out here and do some cutting. Hey guys, thanks for watching short videos. Hope this will work for someone else who got exactly the same. This one expensive too, not cheap at all. But when they design for old people, I hope the Makita will design better for the old people. Okay? For me, I still prefer the old school and pull the engine better.